Though they're not for everyone, gaming phones have become more and more popular over the past few years. They deliver features that you simply can't get on regular devices, such as extra keys and buttons with key mapping, customizable gaming menus, and extra attention to heat dissipation. Does that sound like something that you would need? I'm Will for GSMArena, and here's what we consider to be the best gaming phones of 2021 so far. First up is the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 6. This device is an excellent upgrade compared to its predecessors, the Red Magic 5G or 5S. In addition to the new flagship Snapdragon 888 chipset, it has a built-in cooling fan that ensures sustained top performance for long gaming sessions. And it's not just marketing hype, it does make a difference and effectively keeps the phone cool when gaming for longer periods of time. The Red Magic 6 also has an excellent 6.8-inch AMOLED with a crazy fast 165Hz refresh rate and 10-bit color. This phone is affordable in flagship terms, ships to pretty much anywhere, and it looks pretty cool with its unique RGB strips. You'll find a bright red hardware switch on the side, which will launch the Red Magic's game space. And capacitive shoulder triggers are nice to have as extra input for your games. It's not perfect all around as the camera performance is underwhelming, but as far as gaming goes, the Red Magic 6 is one of the best. Next on the list is the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite 5G. It's actually a mainstream device rather than a dedicated gaming phone. The Mi 11 Lite 5G has a no-nonsense IP53 rated glass design, rather than something flashy and lit up with LEDs. But when it comes down to it, it's not the aesthetics, but what's under the hood that counts. The phone runs on a Snapdragon 780G, which packs more than enough punch to provide excellent gaming performance on a budget. Games run smoothly, and the Mi 11 Lite 5G also supports high frame rate gaming above 60 FPS on certain titles, which plenty of competitors can't do. It has enough battery to last you many gaming sessions on a single charge, and is fast to charge too. The 6.55-inch OLED screen supports HDR10, and combined with the loud stereo speakers, is great for both gaming and media consumption. Plus, unlike your typical gaming phone, the Mi 11 Lite 5G offers an excellent camera experience. Overall, the Mi 11 Lite 5G is great for gaming on a budget, and on top of that, it's a really nice value-packed mid-ranger. Continuing with the theme of mainstream phones great for gaming, we have the iPhone 11, which Apple kept in production even after the launch of the iPhone 12 series. That means this device is now even cheaper, and thanks to Apple's powerful hardware, it remains a very capable phone for games. This is especially a great option if you're fond of iOS exclusive titles. And the long battery life doesn't hurt either. Of course, you also get all the other benefits of having an iPhone, including Apple's software support and high-quality cameras. While it might not be as flashy as a gaming-centric handset and its display has just a 60Hz refresh rate, the iPhone 11 is a great phone, both for gaming and in general. Next up is the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 6R. It's a dedicated gaming phone, but its design doesn't scream gamer like its cousin, the Red Magic 6. It's far from boring though. Its glass back has a metallic finish that's almost mirror-like, with a subtle striped pattern. Just like the Red Magic 6, the 6R features capacitive shoulder triggers for extra gaming input. They're responsive and come in especially handy for racing games and shooters. The phone has a top-notch 144Hz AMOLED screen, and the latest Snapdragon 888 chipset. You don't get a built-in cooling fan, but instead there's the best passive cooling system we've seen so far, which provides for great sustained performance. In addition, the fast battery charging and flagship-grade photos and videos coming from its main camera were a pleasant surprise. The Red Magic 6R is toned down a bit feature-wise compared to the regular Red Magic 6. For example, it has a single speaker rather than stereo speakers. But it comes at a much lower price, while still offering a great gaming experience that's comparable to what you'd get on the other model. Finally, we have the Asus ROG Phone 5. Nobody does smartphone gaming quite like Asus, and this device is a true powerhouse in every sense of the word. It's crafted specifically to deliver the best possible gaming experience, and any other concern takes a back seat. It has an OLED screen with a 144Hz refresh rate, as well as support for proprietary controller accessories. You get in-depth control mapping and customization through Asus's Armory Crate, which together with a controller offers an experience bordering on unfair advantage. On top of that, there's also advanced motion control support. If you want, you can add pushing, pulling, tilting, and shaking the device to your arsenal of game controls. Besides the USB-C for connecting or charging, you'll be able to connect to ROG accessories through a set of contact plates. However, for all of its features, this phone isn't perfect. On a hardware level, it constitutes just a small upgrade over the previous model, the ROG Phone 3. We also found some parts of the design to be hard to operate and fragile. The ROG 5 is also incompatible with certain accessories, like the Twin View dock or mobile desktop dock. And even the new split battery design is a polarizing topic. But still, the ROG Phone 5 is one of the most feature-complete and refined gaming phones you can get today if you're willing to spend a bit more money. So there you have it, guys. This year has been packed so far with exciting devices. But as far as gaming performance goes, these are some of the best options you can find in the summer of 2021. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.